and I'm your little Lasha.
What you are going to make, Lasha?
I'm going to make snacks.
Oh, great. For whom you are going to make?
For my mama, for my papa, for me.
Very good. Okay. So what are the ingredients required for this snack?
Biscuits, cheese spreader, mayonnaise, tomato sauce, chocolate syrup, and dry fruits.
Okay. So let's start.
Yes.
Take the paper napkin first.
Okay, Mama.
Spread it properly. Yes.
One biscuit.
Okay.
Then
We are going to add cheese spreader, right?
yes, I add.
Shall I help you?
Yes. Then
One more biscuit.
one more biscuit.
Okay. Then what you going to add? Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. Yes. One more biscuit.
Okay, you want to keep on that. Okay. Then
Then
little.
tomato ketchup. Then one more biscuit
Oh my God.
and chocolate syrup.
Oh.
And
Finally?
my favorite chocolate syrup.
Okay. Okay. Wow, so nice.
Thank you, Mama. And add some dry fruits.
Oh, dry fruits on chocolate syrup. Oh my God. It's so yum.
Yes.
Some walnuts.
Some walnuts.
And some almonds.
This is okay.
Now it is ready. What do you call these snacks?
Biscuit tower.
Oh my God. Okay. This is the biscuit tower. Have a look.
I love it, Mama, Papa.
Thank you.
I so much love it.